the day. We've got a 7-Eleven. This is $8 going just under 6 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, you have one more.
You too. Got the next order lined up right after this one. It is a Jack in the Box, $10 going 6.5 miles. So they gave me an add-on order as I was on the way here. It is an extra $6 going an additional 2 miles. That's funny.
Hello, what can we serve for you?
Did you need a drink carrier?
How many drinks is it?
There's 2.
Yeah, please.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Never mind. We don't have any. I just realized that.
Okay.
Sorry. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. The one time I clean out my car and I don't have any drink carriers in the back seat. Well, luckily, it's only 2 drinks. That could have been a lot worse. Also on Earn by Time, current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's, 2 miles. I'm pretty sure I'm going to the restaurant and coming right back. Not to that specific customer, but I think it's the same apartment complex. Thank you. You too. Yep, I was right. Pretty much their neighbor. Total for that one was $8. That's a good order right there. And we got the next one right away. This is Jack in the Box going 4 miles. That is funny.
Hi, thank you for choosing Jack in the Box. How can I help you?
Thank you. You too. Top floor. Total for that one was $7 and change. This is a McDonald's, $7 going 4 miles.
Is that 228? 228?
No, 768.
I'm sorry?
768.
Okay, let me check because I have only 228.
So, are you picking up order?
Yeah, 768.
Oh, no. Still waiting for that one. Sorry. Okay, here you go. 768, okay?
Yeah, both eggs?
Yeah, both bags.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, I should have left. That was like a 10-minute wait for no reason at all. Got the next order right away. This is Starbucks, $9 going about 6 miles. And they gave me an add-on as soon as I stopped recording. This is Mr. Maple Donuts, $5 going an additional mile.
Thank you.
For Brienne? Yeah, thank you. Here you are.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day.
Easy.
Thank you. I didn't realize that second drop-off was walking distance from the first one. This is McDonald's going just under 5 miles. This is going back to that really slow store. Hopefully all that's cleared up. Actually, it doesn't matter, because this one is on Earn by Time.
They had it for 10 days and he didn't know it.
Of course, that one was ready on time. Total for that order was $7. Been a while since that last order, but we finally got something. This is an IHOP going 6 miles. Of course, it's upstairs. It is always upstairs. Oh, even better. No tip. Total for that was $8. Next up, we've got a Carl's Jr. going 3.5 miles. You too. Total for that order was $5 and change, and we got the next one right away. It is a steak going to the same person, Mr. Maple Donuts, and I think it said McDonald's going 7 miles. Thank you. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that order was $18 and change. Oh wow. Not a bad order at all. Though I do wish I was a little bit closer to my zone. Well, I'm trying to get an order heading west, but no luck so far. It's been pretty dead. Actually, that's a lie. I keep getting Uber orders for Lowe's. I don't know why. Maybe they're having some sort of special, but I'm not interested. They're all trash. And I just declined 2 DoorDash orders because they were going in the opposite direction. So my dash is over. Current time is 9:43. Total we ended up with 103. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.